Think the stock market is a level playing field where everyone has an equal shot at success? Think again. Behind the glossy financial news and feel-good investing commercials lies a system designed to separate you from your money. And most people have no idea it's happening. Here's what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. 85% of mutual funds underperform the market, yet they collect billions in fees. High-frequency traders make money on 99.7% of their trading days, and the average investor, they're the ones funding these profits without even realizing it. These aren't conspiracy theories. These are documented facts that the financial industry would prefer you never discover. But once you know these dark secrets, you'll never look at the stock market the same way again. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This channel regularly exposes the uncomfortable truths about investing that the financial establishment doesn't want you to know. Trust us, you don't want to miss what's coming. Let's pull back the curtain. Dark secret number 1. The market isn't designed for you to win, it's designed for you to participate. Wall Street makes money whether you win or lose. In fact, they often make more money when you lose, because losing investors trade more frequently, generate more fees, and stay in the system longer chasing their losses. Think about it. If everyone who invested in the stock market got rich, who would be left to work? The system needs a constant supply of people putting money in, and a smaller group taking money out. Guess which group most retail investors end up in? Every trade you make generates revenue for brokers, market makers, and exchanges. Every mutual fund you buy pays management fees, whether it beats the market or not. Every financial advisor you consult gets paid regardless of your returns. The entire infrastructure profits from your participation, not your success. This is why buy and hold advice is everywhere. Not because it's necessarily the best strategy for you, but because it keeps you feeding money into the system consistently over decades. The house always wins, and in the stock market, Wall Street is the house. The uncomfortable truth: you're not the customer. You're the product being sold to the real customers, the institutions, hedge funds, and algorithmic traders who extract value from your predictable behavior. Dark secret number 2. Price manipulation happens every single day, and it's completely legal. When we think of market manipulation, we picture some shady trader in a dark room illegally pumping stocks. But the reality is that price manipulation is built into the system and happens in broad daylight. Market makers, the firms that provide liquidity, can see your order before you execute it. They know when you're about to buy or sell, and they can adjust prices accordingly. This payment for order flow system means your commission-free broker is actually selling information about your trades to firms that profit from that knowledge. Algorithms analyze social media sentiment, news headlines, and even satellite data to move markets before human traders can react. High-frequency trading firms place and cancel millions of orders per second to create false impressions of supply and demand. Then there's the whale effect. When large institutional investors want to buy or sell massive positions, they don't just place one big order. They break it into smaller pieces and use sophisticated strategies to move prices in their favor before completing their trades. What does this mean for regular investors? The price you see isn't always the real price. By the time you decide to buy or sell, sophisticated players have already moved the market based on information you don't have access to. Dark secret number 3. Financial news is designed to make you trade, not make you money. Turn on any financial news channel and you'll hear urgent breaking news about market movements, hot stock picks, and what this means for your portfolio. But here's what they won't tell you. Most of this news is completely irrelevant to long-term wealth building. Financial media companies make money from advertising and viewership, not from helping you get rich. They need you glued to your screen, constantly worried about the next market movement, because anxious viewers are engaged viewers. Notice how every market move has an immediate explanation. Market up 2%, investors optimistic about economic data, market down 2% the next day. Concerns grow over inflation. The truth is, short-term market movements are mostly random noise, but the media needs to create narratives to keep you watching. This constant stream of urgent financial news creates a false sense that you need to constantly monitor and react to market movements. But the most successful investors we know often ignore financial news entirely. They understand that daily market noise has nothing to do with long-term wealth building. The real purpose of financial news isn't to inform you. It's to keep you emotionally invested in the market, so you'll keep trading, generating fees for the brokers who advertise on these channels. Dark secret number 4. The biggest investors get different rules than you do. When you buy a stock, you pay the asking price. When massive institutional investors buy stocks, they get volume discounts, better execution prices, and access to investment opportunities that retail investors never see. Hedge funds and institutional investors can trade in dark pools, private exchanges where large transactions happen without affecting public market prices. This means they can accumulate or dump massive positions without you ever knowing it's happening. They also get access to IPOs at the initial offering price, while retail investors can only buy after the stock starts trading publicly, often at much higher prices. By the time you hear about the hot new IPO, the real money has already been made. Even more frustrating, when these large players make mistakes, they often get bailed out. Remember 2008? The banks that caused the crisis got rescued while regular investors lost trillions in retirement accounts and home values. The stock market has VIP sections that most people don't even know exist. While retail investors play by one set of rules, the big money plays by another set entirely. Dark secret number 5. Your retirement account is a profit center for Wall Street. 401ks and IRAs aren't just retirement savings vehicles. They're guaranteed revenue streams for the financial industry. Think about it. Trillions of dollars flowing into these accounts every year, locked up for decades, generating management fees the entire time. Most people never look at the fees in their retirement accounts. They see 0.5% annual fee and think it's nothing. But over a 30-year career, that 0.5% can cost you more than $100,000 in lost returns. Multiply that by millions of workers, and you're talking about hundreds of billions in fees extracted from people's retirement savings. Many 401k plans offer investment options that are more expensive versions of funds you could buy cheaper elsewhere. But you're trapped in your employer's plan, so you have to choose from their menu of overpriced options. The really dark part? Some 401k providers pay kickbacks to employers for offering their services, creating a conflict of interest. Your employer might choose the 401k provider that gives them the best deal, not the one that's best for employees. Your retirement money isn't just growing for your future, it's generating profits for fund companies, plan administrators, and financial advisors every single year until you retire. Dark secret number 6. Insider trading never really stopped. It just got more sophisticated. While obvious insider trading gets prosecuted, there are dozens of legal ways for connected people to trade on information that regular investors don't have. Corporate executives can trade their own company's stock as long as they file the proper paperwork and follow specific procedures. Members of Congress can trade stocks in industries they regulate. Hedge fund managers network with industry insiders at conferences and private events. Then there's the expert network industry. Firms that connect investors with industry professionals who can provide insights about their sectors. These conversations happen in a legal gray area where material information gets shared without technically crossing insider trading lines. Algorithmic trading systems analyze everything from satellite imagery of parking lots to predict retail earnings, to flight patterns to predict oil company performance. This isn't technically insider trading, but it's certainly information that regular investors don't have access to. The playing field was never level, but technology has made it even more tilted toward those with resources and connections. Dark secret number 7. The system is designed to make you feel like a failure when you are actually being systematically disadvantaged. When your investment returns underperform, the financial industry wants you to believe it's because you're not smart enough, not disciplined enough, or not using the right strategy. What they don't tell you is that the system is structured to make consistent outperformance nearly impossible for individual investors. You're competing against algorithms that process information in milliseconds, professionals who do this full-time with unlimited resources, and institutions that can move markets with their trades. Yet somehow, it's your fault when you don't beat them. The financial media constantly promotes stories of individual investors who struck it rich, creating the illusion that anyone can do it if they just try hard enough. But these success stories are statistical outliers. For every winner, there are thousands of losers you never hear about. This isn't to say investing is hopeless. It's to say that the game is rigged, and recognizing that is the first step to playing it smarter. The most successful individual investors we know aren't trying to beat Wall Street at their own game. They're playing a completely different game focused on long-term wealth building while minimizing their exposure to the system's predatory aspects. Here's the bottom line. The stock market isn't inherently evil, but it's not designed with your best interests in mind. Once you understand these dark secrets, you can make more informed decisions about how to participate in the system without being taken advantage of by it. The goal isn't to avoid investing altogether. It's to understand the game well enough to play it on your terms, not theirs. Knowledge is power, and now you have knowledge that most investors never discover. Don't let Wall Street's marketing machine convince you that these realities don't exist. The more you understand about how the system really works, the better equipped you'll be to build wealth despite its built-in disadvantages. Thanks for watching. If this opened your eyes to how the market really works, smash that like button and subscribe for more uncomfortable truths about investing. Until next time, invest with your eyes wide open.